Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform metric conversions with your Casio FX-991ES calculator. All you have to understand first of all is that this calculator, Casio, has some built-in metric conversion commands that makes it simple to convert values from one unit to another. This calculator has at least 40 commands that can help you convert from different unit to another. So you can use these metric conversion commands in any calculator mode except in base N and table mode. Here is the 40 commands that you can do with this calculator. So to perform this metric conversion, all you have to do is type in the value you want to convert and then you press the conversion command. So for example, if I want to convert, let's say from yard to meter, or let me say cm to inch, and I want to convert. So for example, if I'm to do a simple conversion from cm to inch, let's say I want to convert 5 cm to inch, all I have to do is I'll type the value I want to convert, which is 5, then I press the conversion command, which is shift 8, which is the conversion command. Next is to type in the exact number on which the conversion I want to make is located. But this particular conversion is in 02, so I have to press the 02. And then you can see here it's telling me I want to convert 5 cm to inch. Once I press the equal to sign, my value comes up. The same way I can do other conversions that you can see in these 40 commands here. For example, I can convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. I can convert different values. Look at kilometer to mile. Whichever value I want to do, all I have to do, for example, is type in the number. Let's say 100 what? Fahrenheit. I want to convert to Celsius. I press Shift Convert, and then I type in 37, which is the number for converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius. I will just type in 37, and that is it. I'm converting from this to this. All I have to do next is to press the equal to, and then this is the value for my conversion. I'll go over it again one more time. Press AC to clear things out, then type in the number. Let's say I'm moving from kilometer to mile. Let's say 368 kilometer to mile. Now press Shift Convert. Kilometer to mile is in 08, so I do 08. So I'm converting 368 kilometer to mile equal to, I have the value for my. That is it for this video. See you in the next one.